Hi, my name is Cody Smart, and I'm a script consultant and script doctor with years of experience helping writers take their work to the next level. I'm a study nerd. I have a lot of degrees starting from linguistics and literature to screenwriting, development, and producing. And I love that I studied all of that because it helps me and has given me a perspective that's way wider than the regular screenwriter. I can look at a script and really see beyond just what's on the page and how it can make an amazing film. And I feel like that's something that I bring to the table when I'm working with writers. I worked for studios. I've done a lot of writing myself. I have some award scripts out there and some films that I've made as well. But my main focus right now is helping writers in my capacity as a script doctor dig deeper into their scripts. I believe that I have a special eye for structure and character arc and how those two go hand in hand to really dig deeper into that emotional journey of the characters and help that script really be taken to the next level. My philosophy as a script doctor is to keep writers' stories at the forefront and not impose my own. I am here to help them tell the best possible version of their story by digging way deeper into what's there on the page and how we can make it better and better. I also love really working with writers in my capacity also as a teacher. I teach for UCLA Extension and a bunch of other places as well. I do webinars for Script University, Script Bureau Pro, different places. And I love connecting with writers that way. I feel like there's something important about passing on what I've learned and helping other writers get into the industry, get their work seen, get their work on the big screen. And I am incredibly passionate about helping writers truly take their work to the next level, hopefully seeing their films on the big screen.